jackpot and see what can we find.
Okay, come on, Daniel. What is it? I hear something.
Oh! We found a penny!
Penny,
Yeah,
man, that's an old penny.
This is the music of the restaurant!
Yeah, the restaurant put music.
So it's not us doing nobody. It's the restaurant's fault.
Uh-oh.
Daniel, wait.
Oh, here comes the sprinklers too.
Oh my God.
Babe, you can put the...
Oh. Come on, let's hit the jackpot.
Stop and play.
Come on. The sand is wet there, so it kind of sucks.
Found it.
Oh, what is
Quarter.
it? Yeah! Show it. Yeah.
Guess what I found? A little toy, and a kid forgot a dinosaur toy.
Yay!
Right here.
Come on.
Another quarter right here. Hey, you got it. What is that? Quarter.
Oh,
Another one.
let's see. Yeah.
There's more.
We want something good right here, David.
Oh, come on, David.
Ooh, it says ring or coin.
Come on, jackpot.
Right here.
Coin.
A penny, a dime, what?
A penny.
A penny. Yeah.
Every penny. Found all the ones coming here.
Oh, so cool.
Go push it around. Push it. Okay, now dig it up. There, you got it. What is it?
A car.
Oh!
Nancy?
A Hot Wheel.
Awesome.
Hot Wheels.
Nice.
We cleaned it.
Clean it. Pump it. Pump that water.
Oh, Hot Wheel.
Awesome.
Oh, wait.
Something.
Like a Papa's car, like a wings. Oh,
Okay, come on, David. Do your thing.
Right here, David.
that was fast.
It's real close. No, go back. Right there. Babe, do you have yeah, you have it, David. Come on, something good. Something else right here.
Oh, man. Double trouble.
Done.
Done.
Yeah.
To the camera. There
Yeah.
we go. Oh, it's right there.
Oh. Let me see. Yeah,
Wow,
penny.
So we got a different one.
Good
Wait, we have
job.
the same thing.
Smash with the chain. Right here. Go deep. Go back. There.
Come on.
See?
Oh, what is it?
Man, it's a big old nut.
Ew, what's that doing here?
Oh,
What is it? A penny.
no, it's not.
What is
That's
it?
5 cents.
Oh, nickel.
You like a penny?
Oh, look. Look
Oh.
what we found.
Oh my God!
No
What
way.
is that?
No way.
Bullet casing. You see, it looks like a 9mm.
How are these just random in the park?
Bullet casing. Show the camera.
It must be those in war doing it.
It's the bullet from the Alamo War.
Bad guy. It's a bad guy, Mom.
Yeah.
Bad guy. Oh yeah, bad guy has guns.
The bad guy came to the park.
Somebody came here and was like, pop, 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 pop.
Yeah, like that. David. Uh-oh, David. What is it?
A dime.
A dime. Oh. Let's see what one of the parents dropped.
Oh my gosh, it's broken like a token.
Broken like a token. I like that one. I never heard of that one. Show the camera.
Penny.
It's a penny when somebody just dropped it.
It just happened.
Remember the go?
Oh, I see it.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's a dime.
we get richer. We get more coins.
Awesome.
Some here.
Oh.
I'll get half.
Oh, cool. But there's something else here. Go wash it.
There's always one. We always take one home.
We need to open a washer store.
David.
I found it. Ah, I lost it.
Oh, I found it. Penny.
Penny.
Hey, David, we finished digging. What did we find today?
We found all these, but now we start with the trash. But first we just start.
Man, it's a big old bolt or nut.
We only found just this little. We found this big.
Man,
And we found 2
pop tops.
pop tops. and
Pull tabs. They're called pull tabs.
And 1 button.
Let me see. Yeah, it's a little button. And then
And we found $1.13.
$1.13.
And we
Cool.
found cards.
Let's see the cool things that we found.
I found a dinosaur standing up. And we found this.
We found that Hot Wheel car.
And we found this bullet from a gunshot.
Man, that's a cool one. We found a bullet casing. It's it looks like a 9mm.
And it says white. Yeah.
Here, let me see if I can zoom in on it. Cool. Real cool. Let's see what kind of car you found. What kind of Hot Wheel it is. Turn it over.
Turn it over.
Yeah, let's see if we can find the make. It says Gas Monkey.
Yes,
68 Corvette. Nice.
well, I don't know what that is.
Turn it over.
And turn it over.
Cool.
And it says 3.
Oh yeah, number 3.
And wait, and you look very closely, you can see inside.
Oh yeah, I see it.
It's
And then,
full.
what kind of dinosaur is that? Daniel knows. Is that a Stegosaurus? I can't remember what kind of dinosaur was it.
Yeah.
A long neck. Okay,
We
that's
call
all
it
we
the
found
long
today.
neck. We call it the long neck, baby.
I know
It's a long
I know what's the name called.
neck.
What is it?
I don't want to.
Okay, thank you.
And like and subscribe, stay salty, bye.